Hi Libra, this is your channel messages for the 27th of October. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and a celebrity tarot reader. Let's go ahead and go into your messages, Libra. We're going into your compatibility reading actually. You want to see if you're compatible? No, I know straight off the bat, Libra is always compatible with Taurus. Both of them rule Venus. And it's good sexual chemistry also. Usually Libras and Taurus do really good. If you're asking which one will be more monogamous, Libra rules relationships, Taurus rules devotion. Taurus is more loyal than Libras, by far. Libra will fuck on you. Taurus won't fuck on Libra. Libra will fuck on Taurus. Either way, we're going to see if you guys are compatible. So let's see what your desire is. We have the Page of Swords. I'm getting right now, there's not much desires. You're just watching somebody online. So I don't know if you're watching a Libra or a Libra is watching you. Their desire is a Four of Pentacles. So I'm getting someone's watching you and you not opening up. I'm getting somebody don't want to talk. Somebody don't want to open up, somebody don't want to, maybe somebody don't want to share. I'm getting somewhat a Libra, or the Libra want you to share something about something online. They want you to share. I'm getting you're not sharing. No, they want you to share. I'm getting you're not going to share. They don't want, okay, so I'm getting them don't want you to share. Somebody's going to give something to you, them don't want you to share it. Me getting other people want you to share it, so they're gonna try to trick you into sharing something. But me getting the people who are give you the opportunity, or the people who are give you this, them tell the people to tell you don't share. Maybe the people who want you look fuck up. Cause me getting you have some people around you who are really try to fuck up your shit. Some jealous ass bitches, some jealous ass niggas around you who don't like you and them a torment you and them a target you, right? Me getting the instructions they got is for don't make the Taurus share it. But when them give it, they're gonna tell you how you need to share it. So that you can look fuck up when the people them look back at you. And you look like you do what you want though, right? So I'm getting, there's foreplay here. Somebody's trying to manipulate the situation, right? The theme is the Ace of Pentacles, right? They're gonna give it to you. You're not to share it with nobody. But somebody want you to share it with somebody else. You don't share. Tell them say no blood clot share. You never came out a twin. Where you share for? For fucking what? No. Your challenge is a 10 of Pentacles, right? So I don't know if your family leave money. I'm getting your family or some people, one will was left for you. I'm getting in the will, it said you're gonna get this money and they're asking you, spend the money for yourself, Libra. Libra, the money's for you. Don't give it to your sister. Don't give it to your brother. Don't give none to your blood clot father either. It's for fucking you. But me getting somebody else is telling you misinformation. They want you they want you share the money so that it can look like you do what you want to. So it can look like you say, me give her this money and tell her what to do and she still don't listen to me. Me getting that's what some people around you want happen. They want to fuck up the relationship between you and whoever this man is or woman is who's giving helping you. Because they don't want nobody help you. The emotional compatibility is a King of Swords. Yeah, Libra, me getting a Libra man want to help you. Them don't want the Libra man to help you. Worse, them don't want the Libra man to gain no money. Me getting them want the Libra man to take advantage of you. Them want the Libra man to abuse you, basically. And yeah, basically you don't get money. Physical compatibility is a 7 of Swords. Yeah, they want you to be stressed out. They want you to fight. They want you to cuss your family and say, oh, you don't have money I spend and you don't give me none. They want you to cuss your friend and say, you have this for sure, you don't want to give me none. They want you to cuss and go on bad. Leave people business alone, right? Mental compatibility is a 4 of Wands. Yeah. This could literally be a house. I'm getting something about one man, him own multiple houses, him own multiple rooms. Him gonna give you this house. Him gonna give you this place for stay. He might give you this place for little or no cost. Cause I'm getting somebody have a lot of money, but them don't need the money. I'm getting somebody will give this house, I'm gonna give this place, and I'm gonna tell you don't make nobody move in. Don't share no rent, no share nothing like that, no share no bathroom, no make nobody, none of that. No sublet the place. But me getting somebody will give the house and tell you to sublet the place. So that you can fuck up whatever this is. Cause me getting someone really wants you to fuck up your housing situation. I don't know if you're moving or this is your first time renting a brand new apartment, somebody want you to fuck it up. Maybe somebody want you to fuck it up so that you can abandon the apartment so that this person can take it over. Because I'm getting somebody want the apartment but they need it to be on hold. They're going to use your name for hold it, make you move in and then stress the fuck out so you can move out, but they still going to get the money. You hear me tell you, hear my blood at 2020, me said 2025, 2025, I wish a motherfucker would. I wish a motherfucker blood clot would. When playing a very deadly game, you hear? When playing a game that will affect on the health. This is the game when our blood clot play. When they're playing games with demons, witches and ghosts. Anyways, let us pull some of these and we'll leave it here. Somebody must want you to fear them. They want you afraid of them and fear them. The only thing I fear is the fact that you cannot get an erection. The only thing I fear is the fact that your pussy still... I don't know how you can walk around without a panty liner and you're not blood clot leak the way your pussy big. I don't know how you're doing that. It's incredible to me. I don't know how. How is that possible? The Hermit. Yeah, Virgo. And we have Mean Girls. Yeah. So I'm getting it's a bag of woman that do this. You know, me getting is either the woman them know you but you don't know them, or the woman them watch you and you don't know them, or them a smile in front of your face and pretend say them. Somebody may be talking to a Virgo too. Me getting the Virgo tell the woman them what to do to you. So you have a deadbeat and then you have a big pussy woman. You guys go together. I'm sure deadbeats and big pussy women can follow orders both ways. So me get some woman that do this to you. A Virgo woman that do this to you, or some woman that do this to you because a Virgo told them to do it. Okay, why the Virgo never tell them to close them blood clot leg and don't have that baby so early? Oh, the Virgo didn't tell them to do that. The Emperor. Yeah, one more. And we got program. Yeah, that's a part of the program. Apparently you wrote the program, thankfully. We'll leave it here until next time. Bye.